Next, we will discuss about after insert. Insert, so this logic should be here. After insert. So before going to discuss about after insert, better to disable that before insert trigger so that we will not get any confusion. Otherwise, so which type of trigger will rise? So it is somewhat difficult to identify. So disable. Okay, so this into marks indicates that trigger is disabled. Now, so create or replace function tr underscore after set function. Okay, insert underscore function and returns trigger, which indicates this function is trigger functions. Language pgSQL as begin. See the difference between before and insert after insert. See, when this before insert will be executed means before that record will be inserted into the table, before that before insert kind of trigger will be executed. Okay, after insert trigger means after record row is inserted into the table, then after insert type of trigger will be fire. Okay, and can modify new record means before insert we can modify the value, like if the salary is null, then we can change that salary like 1000 or 2000, so that we have seen. Okay, and can stop insertion. That means if the salary is very less, then I can stop that inserting by using raise exception. But in this after insert, we can't stop it. And before insert, that is best for validation and default values. Okay, just like salary less than 1000, default value. If the salary is null, then we can make it as 1000. And after insert, logging, auditing, cascading. Okay, that means just like backup. So if the employee data is inserted in one table, same data that will be stored in log table. Okay, why? Because that employee table that may be changed, I mean that employee table gets updated or deleted in future, but I want to maintain that employee data in some table which is called audit table or log table or history table. Okay, so this kind of, for this purpose we will use this after insert kind of trigger. So here insert into tr underscore emp underscore audit, column names employee number, employee name, and salary, department number, action type. Is there any other columns? Salary name, salary department, action date, that is default value. And values, you can copy and paste it, these column names, and these values that will be stored in new table. Return new. This new table will be returned. And now create or replace trigger tr underscore after insert trigger name. This function indicates that this type of trigger belongs to after insert. So after insert on tr underscore employee, for each row execute function now we will check. And here action type I didn't write. So after insert, function is created and trigger is also created. Now we will insert query for inserting the data. If here 900 we can give department number 20, so it will be inserted. Why? Because that before insert trigger, that is disabled. So if we are not disabled means, so we have already mentioned the condition like salary less than 1000, it will not be allowed to insert. If one record has been inserted, so see this employee audit table is empty. So if you execute these celt queries, see that newly inserted record 6F920, that is inserted at this timestamp, and 20, what is it, 20 department. Okay, so here 20 count is not updated. Why? Because that updation of department number count, that is mentioned in before insert trigger. Okay, so only we have written the logic here, only that whatever the record is inserted, just insert into audit table with the action type of after insert. Okay, so this is about after insert trigger. If it is null, if you return null, see what will happen. So I'm going to insert one record. See, null also it is allowed to insert. Okay. See, can stop insertion? No.